To make watermelon vinegar, add 450 grams of chopped watermelon, including some of the outer peel, to a sterilized 1 liter mason jar with 50 grams of cane sugar. Then add enough water to completely submerge the watermelon. When we make watermelon vinegar, we ferment the sugar in the melon and add a little extra sugar to jumpstart the process, which produces alcohol and carbon dioxide, so leave a little room at the top for the gas to escape. Next, cover the top of the jar with a coffee filter to keep the bugs out, but still allows the natural yeast in the air to start the fermentation. Then allow the ferment to continue at room temperature. Stirring the mixture every day will inhibit unwanted mold growth on the surface, and you should see a noticeable effervescence as you stir, which will continue for at least a week. The effervescence will begin to subside shortly after that, signaling the fermentation is slowing down and the alcohol is ready to be turned into vinegar. After 2 weeks, a white film will have collected on the surface, which is known as the mother. It means the alcohol is feeding acetobacter, which turns the mixture into vinegar, and a good time to strain out the decomposing fruit pulp. Then continue to stir every day for another couple of weeks. The vinegar is nearly finished when its astringent flavor develops. Then use a litmus paper test or a pH meter to make sure the vinegar has a pH in the vinegar range of below 3, and continue to stir every day until the vinegar is shelf stable. This batch took a month and gave a yield of 500 milliliters or 2 cups. Stored in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, watermelon vinegar will last a very long time because it is difficult for most harmful pathogens to grow in strong acidic conditions.